Today we're making miniature babies from fimo. We're following a tutorial of 2 cats and 1 doll.
2 cats and 1 doll DIY miniature baby. They feel like real babies. Show them to us. Oh, so they're out of the oven. Now we've got to make their clothes. So our little babies are finished. We made some modifications, but they are very, very cute.
Their dummies don't stick.
Their dummies won't stay in their mouth though because their noses are too big. But there we go. What modifications did we make, Izzy? We didn't use drawing pins, did we? We used hammer beads instead of lollipop sticks for this little bit. And we used cam snaps instead of drawing pins because I didn't really want Izzy playing with drawing pins. I didn't think that was particularly safe. So you can see these are the little dummies. They're just little jump rings with a hammer bead on a little cam snap. But they are not long enough to go in the mouths and the noses are too big. So they look cute but not amazingly practical. But if you take their dummies out...
We can just put these on decoration.
Yeah.
Dummies can...
They are
Mummy,
super
what?
cute.
What?
So they are super, super cute. This particular tutorial has no dimensions, it has no measurements, it has no nothing. It's just a case.
Say anything.
Doesn't, does it? She just does it. So you do have to be a little bit crafty to understand it.
And we did the blankets different because Mummy made us triangle.
Yeah, I cut the fabric wrong for the blankets, but they still look super cute. We're dead chuffed with it.